One of the most remote and vast places on Earth, its silence alone is eerie. Its endless white expanse captivates anyone who gazes upon it. Antarctica may seem like just a natural wonder from afar, but as you draw closer, the thought of what might be hidden beneath that white blanket ignites countless conspiracy theories. Is Antarctica really just a frozen land, or does it harbor ancient secrets and truths buried deep beneath the ice? Not everyone can step foot on Antarctica's vast lands. Only specific scientific research teams are allowed access, and this is due to the Antarctic Treaty of 1959, which permits only peaceful scientific activities while banning military bases and commercial exploitation of the land's resources. But could there be another reason behind this treaty? Some areas, particularly those forbidden to the public, are fiercely guarded. Only a limited number of scientists and government officials are allowed into these zones. This is where theories come into play. Why are these areas so strictly off-limits? According to some, governments are in contact with unknown forces or structures in these areas. It is believed that something is being protected beneath the ice, mysterious entities or constructions kept away from human discovery. What could be happening in these forbidden zones? What is truly hidden beneath that cold, white surface? Perhaps Antarctica is not just a hub for scientific exploration, but also the center of much larger, secret operations. These restrictions might be there to conceal truths that could reshape history. Was Antarctica always this cold? This question has intrigued researchers for years. According to today's scientists, millions of years ago, the continent was warmer and likely habitable. Some even suggest that Antarctica once hosted a highly advanced civilization. Could there have been thriving cities before the ice engulfed the land? One of the most intriguing pieces of evidence supporting this theory is the Piri Reis map. Drawn in 1513 by the Ottoman Admiral Piri Reis, this map shows an ice-free Antarctica with remarkable accuracy. How was it possible for a 16th-century mapmaker to depict the continent in such detail when no one had even explored Antarctica at the time? Further theories propose that entire lost cities lie beneath the ice, holding traces of an ancient civilization. If archaeologists ever managed to delve deep enough into Antarctica's ice, they might uncover these forgotten cities, and with them, the mysteries of a civilization hidden for millennia. If this is true, why haven't we found any clues yet? Perhaps the answer lies beneath the vast and ancient ice sheets. Another theory is that extraterrestrial beings are present in this region. Recent UFO sightings over Antarctica have fueled one of the most striking theories about the continent. Strange lights glowing in the frigid air, unexplained movements, and some say, hidden alien bases beneath the ice. Could extraterrestrial beings really be residing in the frozen wilderness? Witnesses, including military personnel and scientists, claim to have observed strange events in Antarctica, incidents that hint at the presence of alien entities. Reports of UFOs, fast-moving orbs of light, and otherworldly objects in the skies have led some to believe that extraterrestrials might have built secret bases deep within the icy terrain. Why do governments deny these sightings? If they're true, why have aliens chosen Antarctica as their hideout? The theory suggests that these beings have concealed themselves in the harsh, desolate landscape, far from human interference. They may have constructed technologically advanced bases beneath the ice. Some theorists even propose that world governments have established contact with these alien entities, working in secret collaborations. Could these collaborations involve the sharing of alien technology with global powers? If so, why is this technology hidden from the public? One of the most compelling events that fuel the alien base theory is Operation High Jump. Conducted by the U.S. between 1946 and 1947, This military expedition was officially aimed at establishing a research base in Antarctica and conducting scientific studies. However, behind the scenes, much more mysterious activities were rumored to have taken place. Conspiracy theorists argue that the true purpose of Operation High Jump was far more significant. Some suggest that the U.S. military was searching for hidden Nazi bases and alien technology in Antarctica. Toward the end of World War II, it was rumored that high-ranking Nazi officers had fled to Antarctica, establishing secret bases and conducting experiments that pushed the boundaries of human knowledge. This theory implies that the Nazis, hidden within Antarctica's isolated landscape, were guarding enormous secrets. Did the U.S. military uncover these hidden Nazi bases during Operation High Jump? What did they find? According to some reports, American soldiers encountered an unknown force, perhaps the greatest secret humanity has ever known. The sudden and abrupt end of the operation has only strengthened the belief that something was being covered up. Another startling theory is the hollow Earth theory, which claims that the Earth is hollow and Antarctica is the gateway to an inner world. Beneath our planet's surface, there may exist a hidden civilization, living in isolation. The entrance to this inner world, according to theorists, can be found in Antarctica. Proponents of the hollow Earth theory suggest that the vast cave systems discovered in Antarctica lead to this inner world. The theory argues that the restricted areas of Antarctica are there to guard the entrance to this realm. Could an unknown civilization be living deep within the Earth? Who inhabits this inner world, if it exists? While the hollow Earth theory may seem like science fiction to many, the restricted access to Antarctica's most mysterious areas keeps fueling speculation. During World War II, Nazi Germany is known to have shown significant interest in Antarctica, particularly a region known as Neuschwabenland. It is theorized that the Nazis established a secret base there during the war, conducting covert experiments. But what exactly were they experimenting with? Were they trying to create superhuman beings? Some believe these experiments continued long after the war. The idea that secret Nazi bases might still be operating in Antarctica is one of the most persistent conspiracy theories surrounding the continent. If true, what kind of technology or entities could they be working on deep within the icy expanse? Could these bases hold the key to one of history's greatest mysteries? This frozen continent captivates us not only with its icy winds and vast white expanse, but also with the centuries-old mysteries it holds. From ancient civilizations to alien bases, secret government operations to Nazi experiments, Antarctica is shrouded in countless theories that fuel humanity's fascination with the unknown. But which of these theories is true? When will the secrets beneath the ice be revealed? Perhaps we will never know the full truth. Yet one thing is certain: Antarctica continues to guard some of the greatest and perhaps most dangerous secrets on Earth. Maybe, just maybe, some mysteries are better left undiscovered, for the sake of humanity's peace. Thank you for watching this far. We've reached the end of the video. Please share your thoughts and ideas about Antarctica with us in the comments section. Let's discuss this topic together. Bye until we meet in the next video.